Alright, so it's been about 3 months since the last clip that y'all seen of me driving the car. But I'm gonna show y'all under the hood now. It's finally finished. I got it looking decent. I still got a long way to go, but I'm also gonna be working on putting some insulation in here because it's hot as hell and I don't have the AC working. But I'll show y'all that too. I finally routed this intake over here. I'm gonna have to build a box right here. Let me see if I can zoom out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to build a box around this intake. I'm probably gonna turn it a little more and have it come right here above the PCM. Speaking of PCM, the box is gonna go around this PCM and this intake. I might move this PCM, I'm not sure yet. I might move it over here. But as you can see, I took all them wires that was all over the place. I took them. I can still clean it up a little bit more, but I'm gonna wait till I get my AC running good, because that green wire is AC. What else? I mean, that's really it. I also got a new radiator. I ain't show y'all that. I bought a radiator off Amazon, and the car been running so much cooler since I got this radiator. I guess because it's aluminum. The fans, I'm kind of scared of these fans. I don't know if they're gonna quit on me or not, but I've been driving for like a month and a half since I bought them, so fans been good so far. Yep, got that thing sitting right. All right, YouTube, today I'm gonna be putting some insulation into the box Chevy. So the problem I'm having is, well, it's obvious. It's a 30-year-old car. A lot of the newer cars come with insulation already behind the head liner and underneath the carpet. But this is a 1980s car, so it don't have no insulation. You just got metal body and sun bearing down on you all day, and it basically turned it into a hot box, no pun intended. So what I'm gonna do is put some insulation in underneath the headboard and also underneath the carpet. Of course, AC would help. I don't have my AC working. I went through 2 different compressors because I need to flush my AC lines and my condenser, but that's another story. So by putting insulation in, it'll also help your AC not blow cooler, but it'll make your AC more efficient. The AC, of course, would be cold and it'll still blow cold, but the car would still kind of be hot from the sun bearing down on that metal body all day. So yeah, let's put this insulation in. All right, so y'all see what I got here. I got some insulation that I got off of Amazon. As you can see, it's kind of like you got the aluminum on one side, the aluminum on the other side, but then you got, focus there. Hold up, y'all. Oh, it will not focus. But yeah, you see you got aluminum on each side, and then you got the bubble wrap type of material in the middle. That's so that there's an air layer in the middle, and that's what's gonna keep it cool. And I also got some Weldwood contact cement. This is supposed to be good stuff right here. We're gonna see. Got some chip brushes. Put a little cheap tray. First thing I'm gonna have to do is remove these seats. Then after I remove the seats, I can remove all this trimming. Also the trimming up on the side over there. And then I can pull the headliner and the carpet out. Getting it done. Man, I left some of my tools in my homeboy garage, so I can't even get to this start bit here. And then there's some more to take the back seat out. So I'm gonna have to ride all the way to his house to get that. But I got the seats took out, got it cleaned up a little bit. I still got some more work to do though. What else? I guess I'm gonna do the headliner right now, and then do the floor later on. Hopefully it'll be a little cooled off too. But now I gotta remove this trimming so I can get to the headboard. On second thought, I gotta remove this seat belt to get to this, to remove this. I'm sure I maybe could pull it off without doing that, but I ain't gonna risk it. I'm gonna just go ahead and do this shit the right way so I don't break nothing. Damn, man, it's aggravating when you gotta work backwards. I gotta put the driver's seat back in to go drive over there, cause this the only car we got right now. Alright, I got this. I got like a rough lineup. How this shit gonna line up? I'm gonna start gluing from this side, probably about a third of the way. Let that tack up, put that on, and then I'm gonna glue the rest of it. Can y'all tell where I glued that? I'm gonna see it right here. But I glued a small portion, and then I'm gonna come back and finish the rest. Alright, so it's the next day. I actually finished the roof yesterday. It ain't super pretty, but once I get a new headliner, it'll be alright. I'm not sure. I might not even get a headliner until I get my sunroof in, because I'm gonna have to make a custom headliner, and I don't want to buy it twice. But I finished the roof yesterday. It rained on me, so I couldn't finish everything else. But what I'm doing today is putting a little, putting some behind this A-pillar here, because it get kind of hot too. As you can see, I had to cut it custom. See a little spot up under there. Basically, this is what it looked like. So first, I cut the driver's side, got it custom fit, and then I traced the driver's side, and this is what the passenger side is gonna look like. I got a hole here for the bottom bolt for the seatbelt and the top bolt for the seatbelt. I actually need to cut one more hole for this, the little ring that the seatbelt sits in. But it's gonna go in there like that. Then, as you can see, I also use this to trace the little pillar in the back, and I didn't glue that. And I'm not gonna glue this side pillar just because, you know, it's less messy and it's not gonna go nowhere. That's not really a sound deadening spot that would vibrate or anything, so it ain't gonna be a big deal. Now the trunk, I'm gonna have to glue the whole trunk, but I don't have enough material to do the trunk or the floor. I would love to do the floor, but I'm gonna have to I may potentially have to weld the floors for seats. Hopefully I don't have to weld the floors and I can just weld some custom brackets, but I'm gonna do the floors whenever I do the seats. I gotta buy a welder to do the seats. But it's coming along, almost finished. I'm gonna have the roof insulated. I'll let y'all know how it go. See, didn't come out too bad. I gotta put a new headliner in here though. I'm gonna leave this like this, cause when I put the sunroof in, I'm gonna remove this and get a light from a newer car and put this more towards about right here maybe. So that way the sunroof will probably take up most of the roof, and I may put it up here if I can. But I'm gonna have to make a custom headboard. That's the reason I ain't putting it back in right now.